So my SMPS or PSU of Corsair just arrived from MD Computers, and this is my first purchase from MD Computers, and you can see the packaging is really good. It took almost 7 days 8 days to come here for lockdown, but it arrived finally. So I will open this. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So as you can see, there is bubble wrap on top, then there is a foam line, then there is another box, and in that there is my SMPS. So packaging is good, I can say, really good. So we are opening this, and you can see the package is really good. And you can see Corsair VRS 450. 3-year warranty is showing on the box, but it's must have 5-year warranty. See the box. You can see all the connectors. Box is really heavy, as you can see, it's easily 2.5 or 3 kilos. 80 plus white certification, 450 watt VS 450. So here is the bill. We have the bill of this, and now we are going to, let's see. Box is really good and really heavy, as you can see, almost 2.5 kilos surely. Let's see how it opens. So it opens from here. There is a information booklet, Corsair, important information. We get a foreign plug. This is not Indian. You cannot use this in Indian normal plugs. You have to buy a separate one, like this one. This is Indian plug point. I don't know, they sell this in India, but why don't give this kind of plug point? So here is the main item. Packed really good, really heavy. This is out of the box, as you can see. Corsair VS 450. This is the back side. This is air vent, Corsair logo, and you can see the switch, on off switch, and 3-pin connector. Also there is 120 mm big fan. These are the cables, you can see, all covered. So let's untie the cables. Also there are screws to mount it on the cabinet. So as you can see, there are very strong cables, and the cable is very long. You can see, pretty long. Almost every cabinet can fit this, and 24-pin ATX connector. Here is SATA ports. You can see 1, 2, 3 are here, and there is more. Here more 3. So total 6 SATA ports, and there are again one SATA port here, and 2 Molex, and one SOPI connector, I think. And also here is 8-pin and convertible 4-pin connector for your motherboard, and also there are 2 PCI Express power connectors for your graphics card. So that's it for the Corsair GS450. So as you can see, this is ANT eSport 200TG cabinet, and all the specs are written here. IC 200TG and tempered glass ATX, magnetic air filter, supports big graphics cards, RGB front panel, cable management space, and tempered glass handle with care. So this is real glass, not acrylic, and now we are going to unbox it. So as you can see, with little help, I have got it out from the box. Box was really tight, and now I will put aside these thermocols. As you can see, there is also a thermocol at the bottom, and you have to handle this with care because this is glass. And see the front, how beautiful it looks, and eSports logo. This is RGB lighting here. This side is metal, and you can see the back. There is a fan here, and also there are graphics card ports, and there is space for the power supply. As you can see, this side is totally glass. There is a plastic on it. I will remove it when I make the PC, and I will show you. You can see the top. There is a RGB light switch with which you can change the lighting designs, and there is the front panel connections, power, restart button, a card reader also, and hard disk and power lights. There is a headphone jack, microphone jack, 2 USB 2 ports and 1 USB 3 ports, and also there is a magnetic dust filter. As you can see, you can remove it and it slides back to its place. Also there is a free RGB auto RGB fan in the back, and also PSU spout, which I will show you later. So as you can see, I have connected the power supply with this ANT eSport cabinet, and you can see there is lights on this, and you can change the light also, and there is also a fixed auto RGB fan. Here is GS450 power supply. When every component comes, then I will fix everything and it will work. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you on my next video.